Let that go. Good. Good. Let that go. Good. Okay. Did I do your ankles? All right, let's make sure we got Mama's ankles, yeah? Good. Good. All right, so that's, you're right, Ty. That's okay. You can do that.
Ankles.
You can do that.
Sorry.
Remember my day last time you were here? Tripping over things and hitting the wall.
It feels like we should do a bloopers.
Oh no, he doesn't take the bloopers out. So we see it all. This is real life. This is no Instagram channel. Dang it.
Okay.
Case in point.
Yeah.
Here we go. All right, here we go. Nice deep breath in. Let that all out. Yeah, let's let that go. I'm gonna do that one more. I do a little more. Let that drop. Shoulder back. Yep. Let's go the other way. Hold it. Okay, good. Lift up. All right, good. Squeeze it. There we go. Nice deep breath. Yeah, good. Let that go. Good.